everyone, how are you all? This is Tara and I am back again with two more unboxing this time. What I am unboxing? I am unboxing the much talked and hyped collaboration of this year, which is Takashi Murakami x Louis Vuitton. So I already bought many items from the first drop and second drop. So these two are my last two items from the first drop, which is multicolor. So these both the items are in multicolor. So yeah, these are my two last unboxing from the first drop. So let's go and do the unboxing, and do let me know how is your Takashi Murakami experience. Are you still buying, or are you planning to buy from the third drop, which is the cherries? I was excited about the multicolor and the cherry blossoms. For cherries, I am not that excited. Maybe I'll get a scarf or something, but not bags, or I don't know. Let's see. So third drop is about to happen in May. So this is my two last product from the first drop. So yeah, let's go and do the unboxing. So let's unbox the tiny item first. Tiny yet so beautiful. So this time the packaging is normal, not the collab one. They have given the very normal packaging. So this is the card holder, you guys. So the box is tiny, and the regular packaging, and this is the invoice which they have given along, the similar kind of packaging. Oh my god, this card holder took 1 month and 1 week to arrive. It took very long to arrive. So yeah, I waited this for almost 1.5 months, you can say. So let's go and do the unboxing. Are you guys excited like me? I got this product like almost 10 days back, but I was so busy to do unboxing, so I thought let me keep these as is, and once I'll do the official unboxing, then I'll start using it. So yeah, so this is how you go, and ta-da! So oops, I dropped the packet. So the card holder is here in this packet. Oh my god, look at this, guys. This is so gorgeous, and the quality is so good. The quality is so good, and the canvas looks amazing. So let's go and see how many cards gonna fit inside. I think it will easily fit 4 cards. So I have my cards handy. So let me see how many cards does it fit. Okay, so all you can see is the multicolor, and the leather quality looks amazing from inside. Let me show you from inside first. The pink lining, and it says Louis Vuitton into Murakami heat stamp is there, and inside there's one packet, okay, let's go and see how many cards fit in. So 2 cards has fit in easily, and let me fit one more fits easily, and let me see where I have kept my cards. Okay, so 4 cards you guys can fit in easily in this card holder, and I think you can fit one more too if you push a little bit, and with time this card will also open up. So this is my purchase from the first drop, which is a beautiful card holder. If you guys are also planning, so I have shown you how many cards it fits, and I am in love with this card holder. Although I have 2 more card holders from Louis Vuitton, but this one has my heart. So pretty, you guys. So okay, so now let's go and do the second unboxing. So the second unboxing is a bigger box. So they have given the regular packaging for this also, and along with that they'll give you invoice like this. In this, so this is one of my favorite from this collab, you guys. So when I ordered this arrived within 15 days, not even 15. This arrived within 12 days, you guys. This arrived so quick. The box is quite heavy. Are you guys excited? I think by my caption you guys already know what is there inside. Oh my god. So this was lying with me from last 15 guys, I was so busy to do the unboxing. So today I pulled out some time to do the unboxing. So here it is. Ta-da! These are the LV trainer sneakers. They call trainer sneakers, but I doubt I will train in them. So this is a very casual sneaker. So yeah, this is the one piece. Let me go and show you all. So they have given 2 cloth bag with 2 shoes. Okay, so yeah, so at the back it says Vuitton and multicolor all over, and here you have the Louis Vuitton's signature, and yeah, and there is also a LV tag. And let me tell you guys what is this hashtag 54 for you. If you don't know what is this, even I was curious, so I have researched on this. This is the year 1854. The hashtag 54 is the year 1854 when the house was formed officially. So this is the formation year for Louis Vuitton, 54, which was 1854. So the shoes look like this, and if you guys want to buy these shoes, I would say go for it, because I don't think that these shoes gonna get dirty easily, because we normally wear white shoes, right? So this is just like another white sneakers. And yeah, so one more tip, if it is useful, so if you guys are also planning to buy this sneaker, so go for one half size smaller. My sneaker size is 37.5, but for Louis Vuitton I had to order 37.5, smaller than what I wear. So these two are my last purchase from the first drop of Takashi Murakami collection. I hope you guys enjoyed my purchase, and do let me know if you have any questions, and do let me know about your experiences and what you all bought. I'm super excited to hear your story in the comment, and do let me know if you guys are buying anything from the third drop, which is cherries. And thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe, and keep on showering love on me. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye you all. Have a good one.